This is a video of the backyard here. It's quite fine right now, but every now and then we get a gust of wind that I'm guessing is at least 30 miles an hour, if not more. And yeah, the wind has been shooting the snow by every which way. There's even remnants of snow on the windows and the doors here. Oh look, just as I say that, as I was picking up a little bit. I'd say it's in the teens here, as far as temperature goes. Yeah, it is in our Easter. It's a big storm that forms off the coasts here, and it is basically the big storm. It looks like a tail at the end. Oh, look, here it goes. Here it starts. Let's call it. Sorry if I just missed. It's a big wind. But yeah, in our Easter, is when a storm hits the coast, and it has a tail, that curls up like a comma. And it can be either rain or snow. This time we got snow. It is technically blizzard conditions because of the high wind gusts and the wind. It was worse earlier, so I got in it earlier. But yes, right here you can see the snow flying. That's that's our shed next to the garage. And yeah, you can just see the snow flying. Fortunately, it's a bit calmer right now, so you can't see the full intensity of it. But yeah, that's the snow here. The plowman hasn't even come by. You can see that's the road. And our driveway. So yeah, and our road. So yeah, there is nothing plowed, which is really odd because usually a plow comes by. Usually the driveway is cleared. But yes, nothing. No plow, nobody digging out, nothing. It is worse on the coast, of Cape Cod. It's so bad they have flooding. They have flooding in the roads, and in your yard. Like you can't even go anywhere if you don't have a boat. That's how bad it is there. It is bad. It's worse on the coast, and then it gets, goes further along. We're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches of snow total. It started snowing. It's supposed to snow from midnight last night to midnight tonight.